Hi there, my name is Lori Riddle, and I am the owner and founder of the Fit Filled Life, helping clients and other health coaches on how to fulfill their goals in life, health, and happiness. I'm also the owner and founder of Lori Riddle Designs, website design. Today, I just want to really quickly kind of talk about creating graphics. I know a lot of my clients have asked me what platforms are the best to use. Do they need to buy Photoshop? Or is there another option out there? And we use graphics in a lot of different applications. We post to Instagram, to Facebook, to Twitter, even on our blog posts. There's a lot of opportunities to use graphics. And you can certainly hire a graphic designer and pay for these graphics. You can purchase Photoshop or another graphic design software. But for most of us, a platform called Canva, that would be canva.com, probably will do what we most of the things that we need for it to do. So I just wanted to really quickly just sort of go do an overview for you and just kind of show you the different things that you can do with Canva and what all you can accomplish with it. So first of all, it is starts out as a free plan, and it can stay as a free plan, but obviously you have limited functionality. But for most of you, you will find that you can accomplish most of the things that you want to do with the free version. I actually have upgraded to the next level, which is a business version, and it just allows me to create custom sizes and more folders that I can store things in, and a few other different functionality that you may or may not find helpful to you. But today I just want to give you a brief overview of what you can do with the free version. So like I said, it's canva.com. And one of the great things about Canva is you create different size graphics depending on the platform that you're creating it for. And it actually even already has it labeled with that actual platform that you can use it on. So the social media one is perfect for Instagram. It's a square. Obviously, we have Facebook, we have Pinterest, we have Twitter. And then here's all, the different sizes. So you can either come, to here, you can actually pull up one that says Pinterest graphic, or if you're creating it for something else, just sort of hover over the image and you say, oh, you know what, actually this would work for me because I am actually looking for a graphic that's 735-ish pixels wide. So you can certainly go ahead and click on one of these predefined sizes. And if you're doing the free version, this is the way you would want to go about it. So today we're going to do an Instagram post. So we're going to choose this Instagram post one right here. And when you click on it, it brings up a plain white square, your canvas. And then over here on the left-hand side, you have all these really nice, already pre-done designs for you that you're still able to customize to make your own. And what's great about that is if you don't have a design background, or if you're just out of ideas, or you want to create something very quickly, you can scroll through here and you can look at all your different options. And maybe the wording might not be right, maybe the image might not be right, but you're like, you know what, I kind of like this picture with just, simple simple text. So you can certainly choose any one of these and create your own. Now you'll notice some of these say free and some of these are paid. And generally, if you click on this, it pulls it up, and then you can tell that it's a paid one if you would happen to miss it over here, but you can tell it's paid because you've got these X's through it, sort of a watermark to let you know that that is a paid image. To get more information about this actual design, you can click on the little I for information, and you can actually see what is free and what's paid. So this one, it is the cake image that you're paying for, and it's $1. And then you can read the details about the license that is available for you, and it starts at $1. So $1 would be, for instance, if you wanted to create this image once and then never touch it again. And then if you would like to be able to have access to the image on an ongoing basis, it might be a higher fee. So it will tell you all that when you go to download it, what your options are. But let's say I really like this design. I like this way this is all kind of laid out, the best lemon cake with a little blue heart. but I think I might have a better picture of a lemon cake. I would just come on over here and I can delete the paid part of it, and now it is a free design. And then I would just come down to my uploads and I can scroll through all my uploads and see if I can find a blueberry lemon cake, which I don't think I actually have a blueberry lemon cake, but let's just say this was it. And I could drag it over here and I can stick it into my design. But let's just say I want to say best soup, or something like that. That can change my text over here. I can change the color of my text to make it pop. I can add my own colors. So you have a lot of functionality over here. I can change the font to a font that I like. You can change the size of your font, because this font obviously is a little bit too big for my spacing. So you have a lot of different options with that. So that's a pre-designed Canva graphic for you. But let's say you wanted to start something completely from scratch. That is easily done too. So I'm just going to go in and I'm going to delete all these elements. And let's say we're starting completely from scratch. There are tons of layouts that you can use over here, like I had mentioned, that are already pre-done for you, or you can create your own. And if you click on elements, here's all the different options you have. Here's free photos that you can use. You can scroll through all these beautifully and professionally done photos. You can do different size grids where you can drag and drop and it's already laid out for you. So I'll pull up one of these real quick. See, there's the white line. You can actually upload multiple pictures into this design and create your own graphic that way. And back over here. Let's see, you also have different shapes and lines, illustrations. Let's say you wanted a hamburger. You could type in hamburger up here. And it'll pull up all these different hamburgers. Here's all the photos of hamburgers. Some are free, some are paid. You have infographics of hamburgers, and the way you add them in is you just click and you drag. Other elements that you have are different icons and charts. So all kinds of different free stuff that you can really create and make this your own. Create wedding invitations, some beautifully done images and icons for you to use. Another great feature is the text feature. You can either add in your own text. If you're using a paid account, these would actually be your fonts of your choosing. So if you have a particular font you use for your brand, you can pre-set those. But let's say you just really don't know what fonts go together. There's all these done already for you options. And again, you just click and you drag and resize it by pulling and dragging it. And it's the graphics, so it's all kind of stuck together. You can ungroup them, so you can split this up and move this around. You can change the wording to anything that you like. Again, change the colors. Another great thing is, right now I've got just a plain white background. Well, let's say I'd like to have, some sort of textured background. There's all these nice texture backgrounds. You just click and you drag it over and it automatically puts it in the background. And then there's obviously, tons of free ones, but then there's also paid ones as well. And just clicking and dragging changes it. You have your undo, you have your redo, tons and tons of options. So I just really, one more thing that I wanted to cover with you is you can upload your own images. It saves everything right here for you, so you can go back and reuse them. And then when you're all ready to save, it saves automatically, but when you're all ready to download your image, you just click on the download button and you can choose from JPEG, from a PNG, 2 different types of PDFs, and then in the beta mode, we're doing animated GIFs, which you might find a lot of uses for that. So you just click on it. We're going to do a PNG for this one, and then we're going to click download. Now I do have a paid element in here, so it's going to ask me, actually I have two paid elements in here. It's going to ask me one-time use, multi-use, or extended. And then under help and settings, it'll definitely tell you what the licensing agreement is for that. So you would choose what you wanted, and then it's going to charge a credit card for you. I don't want to pay for this one, so I'm going to delete my graphics that I know that I'm paying for. I'm going to click download again, and it's just going to download it right to my computer. And that's it. You can use this on your Instagram, you can use this on your blog posts, wherever you find that you need to use different graphics. So I hope you enjoyed this short little tutorial today. Please leave some comments for me below this video and let me know what you liked about this video and if you'd like to see any others in the future. Again, thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.